Hello everyone. I want to welcome us all to today's beautiful class. Today I would like to begin our class by talking about the appreciation of nature, the appreciation of beauty that is around us, the appreciation of beauty that is there every moment for us to enjoy, every moment for us to partake in, every moment for us to be grateful for, every moment for us to share with others. It's not a coincidence that God has designed this world in such a beautiful way, such an intricate way. If one is an artist, one is able to see how beauty is truly depicted in all the different hues of nature, in the sunsets, in the sunrise, the color of the leaves, the color of the fruits, the vegetables, the beautiful vastness, the colors, the texture that is all around us. We see clouds, beautiful clouds. We can almost feel them, touch them. The beautiful lakes and rivers and oceans, beautiful stars, the variety of animals. All these are ways that God has designed the world for us to enjoy, for us to experience, for us to be fulfilled. Sometimes just sitting outside, having the wind blow, feeling the fresh scent of air or cut grass, feeling our hair blow in the wind, feeling it on our face, feeling the light on our eyes are all enough to raise our spirits, are enough to make us feel blessed, happy, fulfilled, cared for, nourished and nurtured. When we learn how to embrace and experience these finer pleasures of life, it becomes much easier for us to be grateful, to be joyous, to be fulfilled, to feel the desire to live, to create, to help, to bless. Sometimes just observing the beautiful butterflies fly can remind one of the beauty and the grace of one's soul. Looking at a butterfly fly, we can tap into this ethereal quality of our soul, this ability of us to soar to fly, to be graceful, to be present to the moment, to rise above things. Looking at the flower blossom can allow one to tap into one's soul potential, to renew oneself, to evolve, to grow, to open up, to reach to the sun, to reach to God, to reach to our highest potential, to reach to the sustenance that comes from higher guidance. Seeing how sometimes the rain falls down, how everything soaks up the water, and the smell, the scent of the air, when everything is moistened and everything is nourished, can remind one of how true sustenance can bring one true fulfillment and true ability to do and to grow, true nourishment, to do things and to blossom. According to Judaism, this is like Torah, that when one learns Torah or follows Torah, one can truly blossom and grow. Water is very symbolic of nurturance, of sustenance, and often Torah is compared to water, Mayim Chayim, water of life. By learning and following Torah, one is truly able to embrace life and blossom in life and grow and develop one's soul and one's full potential in this world. Sometimes we need something that will be a true nourishment to our souls. And sometimes it can be very simple. Nature is meant to awaken us to this beauty, this simplicity, the concept of constant renewal, of constant rebirth, of nurturance, of sustenance, the ability to revive oneself, bring oneself to higher, greater heights even after one has what is seemingly fallen or went down a certain level. After all, after winter, after everything has been barren and dormant, comes the spring. And everything is revived, and everything dormant blossoms and becomes alive. The two seasons which are direct contrast to each other, the dormant and the blossoming. This is usually what happens in life. After something has been dormant, if the true sustenance is given, is found, is provided, is absorbed, the true rebirth will take place, and it will be so strong and so vivid. At this time in our life, we have so many ways to connect to nature. There are beautiful places all around us. Sometimes it might mean going somewhere on a trip Sometimes it means just stepping out of our house to spend some time outdoors, in the park, taking a walk along the water, taking a walk along the forest, doing it in the morning before sunrise, watching the sunrise, watching the sunset, taking a walk in the evening after the sunset, taking a walk at night. What is important is that we are mindful of everything that is around us as we do that. What is in front of us as we are taking a walk? What are we seeing? What are we feeling? What are we experiencing? Be present to the moment. Be present to your soul. Try to notice things that are in the universe for us to see. Try to see how your soul responds to everything. Spend some time in quiet. Hear the birds sing. Hear the wind. Hear the leaves. See the shapes. God is constantly renewing and creating our souls, our spirits, the nature, the universe. It's for us to enjoy and for us a channel, a way to come closer to God. Nature doesn't take payment, doesn't take money, just takes for us to have the desire, to have the time, to have the willingness to enjoy. I want to bless all of us that we find the space in our heart and souls to enjoy what is in front of us, the beautiful natural world that God has designed and created for us to enjoy. It's open to all, it's accessible to all, and the level at which you can appreciate it depends only on you, on your desire, on your willingness, on your attention. May God grant all of us this ability, this simple, pure, yet powerful ability to truly find beauty, grace, fulfillment in nature, to truly see and connect to God and to our souls in the universe that so much wants to speak to us, so much wants to be enjoyed and appreciated. God bless us all. Thank you.